Adobe is working on a full version of the popular Photoshop photo editing program for Apple's iPad. The sources claim that the software company plans to announce the new application at its annual Max conference in October, with the launch of the application scheduled for 2019. According to reports, the new application will allow users to run a full version of Photoshop on an iPad and continue the edits on another device, such as a desktop PC. The company is working on the cross-platform iteration of Photoshop and other applications, but declined to provide a timeline for its release. The aspiration is to bring these products to the market as soon as possible. It takes a lot to bring a product as sophisticated and powerful as Photoshop and make it work on a modern device like the iPad. We need to take our products to this collaborative age in the cloud. While the news of these plans will be exciting for Photoshop fans, it's not surprising. Adobe has been working on modernizing its software for years. The company switched to a cloud-based subscription system for all of its programs, including Photoshop, in 2012. Since then, Adobe has also introduced numerous applications that make some of the most appreciated and useful features of your programs accessible on mobile devices: Photoshop Mix to create multi-layered images, Photoshop Sketch for drawing, Photoshop Express for basic photo editing, and more.